Hello everyone, we Team Smart Helmet with product name Innovative Headgear have participated in AICT, DST and Texas Instruments India Innovation Challenge 2019 anchored by IIM Bangalore. We have cleared the quarter-final phase and are here to present our second interim business video.
So the target customers for our product are biker gangs, daily commuters and security personnel. So our product will be sold in two variants. The first is a basic model which will only have the safety unit, and the second one is the top end model which will have the safety unit as well as the entertainment unit, which is explained in the technical video. The product will come in all three sizes, small, medium and large, and the selling strategy for our product will be business to business as well as business to consumers. The price of our helmet is around 16,000 rupees. This includes electronic components, the manufacturing parts as well as the margin. We conducted a market survey where we compared our product with those of the existing products in the market based on a few features which you can see on the screen. So based on this comparison, the cost of our helmet comes in the mid-range and the weight of our helmet is around 1.7 kg.
Before starting up, we would like to study the market size and forecast. Market size is important to understand the demand and the revenue range that we would operate in. Looking at the two-wheeler market in India, we have a huge opportunity to capture. Forecast includes the study of emerging trends and how the customers will react to these technological changes. We would like to align ourselves with the advancements in the technology to stay relevant and to acquire a large customer base. Regional country trends matter a lot. For example, in Pune, 60% of the riders do not wear helmets, but this is not the case in Bangalore, where around 70% daily commuters wear helmets. Government laws and policies regarding road safety will also play a key role in analyzing the target market size. Targeting the right region, hence, is a key activity. The market dynamics are also important as it will influence the cost of a product. We will try to keep our supply chains strong and lean to compensate for unforeseen circumstances like the COVID-19 pandemic. Next is the patent analysis outlook. We will do requisite patent search to know if there is any patent technology that resembles our technology. This will also influence the commercialization of our idea. We will develop an infrastructure for competitive intelligence. This includes studying the markets closely, keeping an eye on what the rival companies are doing, and identifying the demand gaps. This will strengthen our startup in the early periods as well as to have a competitive edge over our competition. So this is the lean canvas of our product. On the left we have the pain points or the problems that we are going to tackle. These are delayed medical help after an accident, lack of location tracking for riders and bulky helmets. From the current market scenario, it is evident that these problems are not effectively solved and the helmets are pretty expensive. So the top three features that our product include are vibration sensors for collision detection, then the inclusion of GPS and GSM modules for location tracking, and then communicating the SOS message to the emergency contacts in case of an accident, and the design of an exclusive port for this purpose. Other features include the smart buckle system and the use of AI and ML in the backend to predict the road accident conditions in various areas and to locate the nearest hospital in case of an accident. Thinking of implementing this unique technology, patenting this idea is our next goal. So we are planning to submit the patent application in the next 2 to 3 months once a prototype is completed and the corresponding certification tests like the ISA certification test is done. So when our prototype is complete, we will do a pilot test to determine the demand that our product generates. Based on this pilot test, we will decide the volume of helmets to produce every month. For this purpose, we have contacted suppliers and are in talks with the leading manufacturers to set up a contract for building our helmets. So we are primarily targeting moped and bike riders first. So our target will be to educate parents on how our helmet is the right choice for their wards. Then after the customer base is acquired, we would like to extend the application of this smart helmet to the military and defense sector as well as in the mining sector as well. So, talking about the revenue streams, we will operate on B2C and B2B selling strategy. We will primarily sell a helmet on e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart, and also on our own website. As we gain traction, we will expand this product into special brick and mortar stores. We would also like to land a deal with major auto manufacturers for sponsoring our helmets. So this is pretty much what the lean chart contains. Thank you.
As you can see on the screen, I'll be explaining the value proposition canvas. Our product is Smart Helmet. Our team approached a few people and understood that people don't wear helmet as they say that it is bulky or after a prolonged use it gets uncomfortable. So our team has designed a helmet keeping these 2 points in mind. Our helmet is durable, cost effective, as well as without compromising the ergonomics and aesthetics. Our team is solving problems like immediate help, that is accident detection, and immediate help after that. So if these 2 conditions are fulfilled, the customer will be happy. So this is our actual business plan.